This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is a Class B RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago and features sleeps 2 and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.